Hello everyone, this is Manipulator today with a 4-pin cam lock with a round body. I will use the Sparrow's goat wrench to tension this lock. Yep, that works just fine. And because the tailpiece only rotates 45 degrees, we should be able to figure out how many times I have to pick this to move it all the way that it's going. All right, so let's get tension on it. That's not going to pop out. All right, and let's get to picking. So I said there are only 4 pins. Nice click on the first. Good click on the second, already a little bit of movement. Now for the fourth. And number 3. It's a little bit under my tension tool. Nothing else. Got a little bit more movement on this one. Nothing here. Nothing here. And I got the full open. That's all there is to it. Actually, doesn't move any more than this. That's actually why I put it in the cam like this. I'll put it backwards so I can use the key again, because right now you wouldn't be able to enter the key into the lock because the opening for the key is behind this little metal ring. So let's just see when we pick this backwards that this was actually the full open. And let's make it quicker this time. Nothing on this one. Good click on that one, even a little bit of movement on the core. Still nothing here. Nothing here. Binding tightly, good. Binding. This should be the last one then. And we rotate it all the way back. Wow, this is the worst cam lock that I've ever seen. Now let's use the key, just so you guys can see that it doesn't rotate any more than this. That's all there is to it. All right, thanks very much for watching. Manipulator says bye-bye.